It's all coming in when it's wet. It slides the cunt about everywhere. There you go.
The engine's hit the floor. Hey? Yeah. You have got, that's fucking bad.